Okay, here is our revised table. 7 by 7 legs. Of course we can do 8, but I'm just thinking of proportion. It's getting pretty large in comparison to the space in between here, but we can sort that out. So these base pieces are larger, and we have these vertical rails sitting on top of this stretcher, and then you can see the pieces I just put in the middle here. I honestly think of putting them all the way across is going to be too much, just from a cosmetic standpoint. So looking straight down, the first thing we would do is size the wood top to figure out our exact proportions and what we can achieve size-wise out of the top. And the posts can be made, but we can work here on site with just the fit and finish of the position of these legs, meaning if we're going to pull them in. But of course, if I set this post towards the center of the table to gain more room on the end, we're taking away from space in between here. So here it is. Let me know what you think of that, and we can take it from there. Thank you.